Hey guys, in this video I'm going to make a program on how to show the date and time in Python. So it's going to show you the date and time from all the way from years, months, days, hours, minutes, seconds, and even microseconds. So that's just a simple way of using the date and time to show different elements of the date and time that you want to. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to create a new file, new Python file, and I'm going to say date time. So this is going to be quite a repetitive program, so I'll do the first part, which aren't repetitive. So obviously the first step we're going to have to do is to import date time, and this is to import everything you'll need to show different types of date and time. So we're going to create a variable called now, which equals date time dot date time dot now, and this is the date and time now. So then we're going to say print we're going to say print current date and time, and then we're going to print each one on the line separately. So I'll just do a colon, and now I'm going to print them all. So I'll do the first one. I'll say print, let me say new line actually, because we need space. So print current year. So we're going to go down in time. It's going to go year, month, day, hour, minute, second, microsecond. Now I can copy this. I'll just copy all these and then replace it with the month, day, whatever, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so now we've got the different times we're going to use. Now we're going to have to use %d to represent that on the screen. Now we're going to use %d. Now obviously the program won't be done yet, because even though we've typed month, day, whatever, the program still doesn't know obviously what we're going to type. So there's still going to be one more step needed for us to represent all this stuff on screen. Now the final step for each of these is just to do %now.year. So we'll do, or even just now.year with a comma. So now.year, and then now.month, now.day, and so on. Okay, I just found out something really weird, and that's what was causing the problem. If the name of the file is datetime and you're running a program and you're trying to import datetime, it won't import because it's trying to import things from the file named datetime that you saved. So that's a massive bug in this software, in this Python. So that was the problem. The problem wasn't with the code. As you can see, the code's pretty much the same. I added % signs, but that's no different. So it's been a while for me, but for you it's just been a few seconds. So here it says current date and time, and then it shows the day 2019 whatever, and it shows the microseconds and all that, because we put print string.now on line 6, as you can see here, and here it shows them individually. So current year 2019, current month 1, day 3, hour 19, minute 14, second 42, microsecond 811,762. So if you ever have a project where you're supposed to make a date time project, use this and go into a lot more detail. So I'll run it again, and as you can see, the time's changing, so I'd better upload this video today. So yeah, that's the program. It's that simple. So the first line, we're importing date time from date time, and now this is the date now, which is what you see on the line over here where it's all in one row. And then I'm just saying print current date and time, saying current date and time just to show what it is, and then it's printing all of it in a row, and then here it's all individual from microsecond up to a year. If you like that video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Tell me other videos you might want to see. Leave comments down below if you're struggling with anything, and any other questions you might have about programming in general.